Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you. This really nice device, the LightingWill Christmas tree star topper. It's a 27cm Christmas Day stars outdoor or indoor use with USB, LED Christmas star illuminated, RGB app control possible, 3D luminous star for indoor and outdoor decoration. And it's classic white on the market, as shown in that video, or crystal colors. We have here a unique 3D glow star design, because this 3D poinsettia is impressive with its innovative design and 18 bright LEDs that support 16 million of colors, as well as various dynamic modes. It's perfect to enrich our Christmas decoration with a bright brilliance. And nap control with a virtual light functions. The mobile app allows us to customize the lighting effects, including custom colors, music mode, flashing to the beat of the music, scene mode, and timer function. So we add a lively dynamic to our festival atmosphere. And easy installation, as you can see. Thanks to the detailed, easy peasy installation process, you can make it quick assembly done. The poinsettia can be placed on the metal base to serve as a tree topper. Or we use this 50cm metal chain for hanging the decoration on top. This making it versatile, of course. And we have flexible USB power. Equipped with a 5-meter long USB cable, this star allows for flexible use indoor and outdoor, with the need for a complicated wiring. For a convenient lighting experience, of course. And wide applications ideal for a festival or a daily decoration. It's suitable for a garden, living room, or business premise. These Christmas Day stars will be ready and highlight in any environment, of course. We have the color RGB. That means a big spectrum is possible. The power supply is universal serial bus. That means the input voltage is only 5 volts. The control method is an app control or the control box itself. The working temperature is -25 up to 60 degrees Celsius. And dimmable, 16 million colors, timing, and music sync. You download the Hello Fairy app out of the App Store or the Google Play Store. And then you can pair them each other, as you can see, directly. And then you are in, and you can make a maintenance job with your settings. We can also use the USB plug to make a quick double-click the button to control the on or off lighting string. We can make a long press the button for 3 seconds, the color, light, music, and the scene mode while we'll cycle in the swans. And in the color light mode, we click the button to switch to the next color and cycle in thwongs as we like. So that's possible manually. Or we connect it with a mobile phone as shown in that video here. The USB version connected to the product to the 5-volt power supply first. That can be an AC adapter of our smartphone, a personal computer, or a power bank. Then we turn on this light string switch. We turn on the mobile phone Bluetooth. We open the Hello Fairy app and the mobile phone and search for device Hello Fairy XXX. After the device name is displayed on the interface, we can click on it and pair it each other. Or, as you can see in that video, it is possible to perform this directly out of the app. And then you are in, and you can make a clear maintenance what you prefer. LightingWill 3D LED like Christmas tree star with an USB and an app control as you like. With the app control, we can design our lighting individually and colorful for a festival atmosphere, indoor or outdoor. And experience the magic of the 16 million of colors for festive lighting that turns our Christmas decoration into a luminous spectacular. And it's versatile. Whether in the garden, on the window, or at the festival decoration in the room, this Christmas star brings sparkling accent and a special atmosphere to every place which we like to see that. That's really cool. That's easy to operate. And this is the possible with the Hello Fairy Smart app. We can make a control with our app, or we're going to use the button on the USB plug. This is cool. This is the LightingWill Christmas tree star topper, which is not only can be used on a Christmas tree, of course, you can also use this as a decoration for the entire year. That means in the Christmas time, maybe get it on top of the Christmas tree, and on the other month in the year, you can attach it to where you like. That's a cool stuff. RGB app controller possible, or you use the button. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.